Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger video or audio call problem. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here I have just opened my Messenger application from here right now. So if you are simply trying to make either a video or a voice call, you might just realize that somehow the video goes in and out or even that audio quality is not ideal. I'll take you through the steps to solve it. It will be a fairly straightforward now. So first of all, we will exit our Messenger and go to the phone settings. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi from here, just switch it off. You can use the mobile data instead. It can sometimes be smoother having faster connections and thus better audio and video quality. The very next step we will take is to you have to go to your Google Chrome, and here you have to search for speed test, and you have to test the speed of your Wi-Fi. If it's anywhere around 10 or 15 megabytes per second, that's obviously not a connectivity issue. Your internet speed has to be fast enough to handle Messenger or any of the video or audio calls. Then if it doesn't work well, you have to exit this and go to your phone settings. In the settings, you have to scroll down and go to app. In the apps, you have to search for Messenger. Once you are on the Messenger, you simply have to go to permissions, and here you have to make sure that all of the permissions to the Messenger are allowed. So if it doesn't fix your issue, you simply have to make sure that if there is another new update available for the Messenger. For this purpose, you have to go to Google Play Store and search for Messenger, and if it says open, it means that you are using the up-to-date variant, but if it says update, it means that you need to update your app as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, that's been me in the end of the video. Hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.